Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run an X, formerly known as Twitter, engagement ads campaign. So basically, if you want to get all the comments and lots of like on any of your X posts, this is the best way to do this. Don't forget to visit the description section. We've also covered how to run conversion ads on X. So don't forget, you're going to get all those resources that would help you succeed in running conversion ads on X platform in the description section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's jump into the video that will show you how to run an engagement ad campaign on X. So we shared a tip on how we got our X Premium for free. Okay, so you're going to find that link attached in the description section of this video. Check out that video. Maybe you could be lucky to get yours. So we visit ads.x.com. So it's going to take you to the X Ads Manager. Then we're going to begin. So we've also made a video that shows you how to run a conversion ad campaign, a conversion or sales ad campaign. All right, so make sure you visit the description section. We always share insightful resources that will help you to succeed as an advertiser across X platform and also other advertising platform, including Google, Meta, and so much more. Okay, so this is Lifetime. Yeah, so this is the Gwrite. So we already have a payment method added on this other account already. So I'm going to create, so I click on create campaign. So in this campaign, I'm going to go for engagement. I'm going to show you how to drive engagement on X. So click on, but before we do that, don't forget, marketing is divided into three major structures. One is awareness, consideration, and conversion. So most times, if you're a new brand, you want to start with awareness. For consideration, you can choose any of these options that aligns with your product or your business offering. Then lastly, conversion. Okay. So you could also make sales in the consideration stage. Take note of that. So let's go for engagement. Then we'll click on next. Okay. So we call this GW. Engage. Okay, so select advance. Campaign spending. So we're gonna leave this for now. We go to next. Okay, so match. This is the ad group. Daily ad spend. Okay, so I want to do $5 per day for now. Start with $5, then you can increase your ad spend over time. So maybe we want this to run for 10 days. Okay, let's leave it for maybe, should we do 10? Let's do 9 days. Today is 16th. Okay, so let it stop by this time. Then scroll down delivery. Yeah, we go for auto bid, pay by engagement. Okay, so we leave this facing, leave all of this that's recommended. So we're gonna leave all of this. Okay, also leave that. Yeah, we're gonna do broad targeting. Yeah, targeting the whole of Nigeria. So we're not doing any much targeting for now. Then we'll click on next. So this is our ad, the creative, ad 0, this ad 1. I would prefer to use existing ad. So let's click on this, or use existing posts. We could also promote our podcast because we actively need views on YouTube. So let's say we select this one. So let's just select this post. We're going to promote this our podcast. Then we'll click on select ad. So we'll click on next. Then we'll click on launch campaign. So it's very easy. So run an engagement ad campaign on X, formerly known as Twitter. So you can see it's saying running. I'm going to show you our X account. So you're going to see the blue tick. We already have X Premium. So this is the post we are promoting.
And I went to meet him and I was like,